everyone, and welcome back to another video. Right now you can currently see my bird flying up to my, what's it called, arm. Well, not flying, walking up. No, stay little fella. No, come back. Oh my god, she's got a tough grip. So let's get started. You can see she's trying to get out. She really loves her cage. She's a really friendly bird. So she's gonna do some couple of tricks. So like walk. That one's a bit obvious. Come on, go to my next hand. Oh, say that. Come back. She can go on the shoulders. Oh, there she goes. Flown away. Why does this always happen on YouTube? It's always just makes mistakes on YouTube is where it happens. Oh! She is a bit of a crazy girl. Come on. Let me put you on your shoulder for YouTube. I'm going to take 2 and get that.
No, you don't need to be eating that. Thank you.
You can see do lots of tricks like walk, of course, like she's doing now, fly, and go into my turtle's aquarium system, which is sort of a little bit hard to see, but now what's going on. So yeah, basically yeah. So yeah, she really loves her cage. I don't know if I told you that, but hey, yeah, pretty cool. Oh, she's actually bleeding. I just realised. Not badly. I think. Oh, maybe I'll. Let me look. Ah! No, stay. Yeah, she's bleeding on this side. Stay with me. Where is it? You can see that bit of blood there. So that's just about my budgie. Is pretty crazy. I do have 4 other budgies. Stop running away from the camera. 4 other budgies, but they aren't like this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this small video. Nah, I'm gonna try and get my other budgies out. Okay, so I'm gonna come back when I get them out. But then I'm gonna budge. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I haven't made a video for a long time, but today uploading another video. Oh, a couple. Alright, okay. I need to go edit. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.